Your home is a reflection of your personality, taste, and lifestyle. In Bluffdale, where aesthetics and charm meet contemporary living, custom doors can significantly enhance the curb appeal and interior vibe of your home. The right door style does more than offer entry. It creates a statement, adds security, and serves as a focal point for visitors and family members alike. Here's a guide to help you choose the perfect custom door style for your Bluffdale home. Understand your home's architectural style. The architectural style of your home is a major determinant when choosing a custom door. Bluffdale boasts a range of home designs, from sleek modern builds to cozy craftsman houses. Matching your door's style with the architecture ensures a cohesive and polished appearance. Modern homes often benefit from sleek, minimalist doors with clean lines and large glass panels, providing a contemporary feel. Traditional homes pair well with paneled doors, ornate glass designs, and classic wood finishes. Rustic or farmhouse-style homes are enhanced by doors with natural wood grains, wrought iron accents, and distressed finishes. Consider the overall theme of your home and let it guide your choice to achieve a harmonious look. Prioritize material selection. Choosing the right material for your custom door is crucial, as it affects durability, appearance, and maintenance needs. Here's a quick breakdown of common options. Wood. A classic choice, wood doors provide warmth and elegance. They can be stained or painted in various finishes to suit your preference. However, they require periodic maintenance to protect against weathering. Steel. Steel doors offer superior strength and security. They are often insulated, making them energy efficient and ideal for Bluffdale's diverse climate. Fiberglass. This material mimics the appearance of wood while being more resistant to dents, moisture, and rot. Fiberglass doors are versatile, low maintenance, and durable. Glass. If you seek abundant natural light and a contemporary vibe, doors with glass panels or fully glass doors can be striking. Consider privacy and energy efficiency when choosing glass options. The right material will depend on your needs for security, insulation, and aesthetic preferences. Consider door color and finish. Color is a powerful element that can transform your home's appearance. Bluffdale's unique landscape and community style provide inspiration when choosing the ideal shade for your door. Bold colors. If you want to make a statement, go for a bright red, blue, or even yellow door. Vibrant colors can complement neutral exteriors, adding character and charm. Natural wood tones. Retaining the wood's natural color works beautifully with rustic or classic styles. These doors exude warmth and sophistication. Neutral tones. Grays, whites, and earthy tones work well with modern homes and provide a clean, timeless appearance. Don't forget about the finish, glossy, matte, or satin, which can further influence your door's look. Evaluate functionality and security features. A custom door should not only look great but also serve its purpose efficiently. Pay attention to security features. High-quality locks, reinforced frames, and durable materials provide peace of mind. Insulation. Energy efficiency is critical in Bluffdale's variable climate. Choose doors with good insulation properties to reduce heating and cooling costs. Accessibility. If you have mobility concerns, consider wider doors or those with lever handles for easier access. Incorporate personal touches. Custom doors offer the freedom to express your personality through unique design elements. Consider adding decorative glass inserts, side lights, transoms, or etched patterns to make your door truly one of a kind. Hardware, such as handles, knockers, and hinges, can also be customized to complement the overall style. Consult a professional. While choosing a custom door may seem daunting, working with a professional can simplify the process. Door specialists understand Bluffdale's climate, trends, and architectural nuances, providing expert advice tailored to your needs and budget. Final thought. A custom door is more than a simple entrance. It's an opportunity to showcase your style and enhance your home's appeal. By understanding your architectural needs, choosing the right materials, and incorporating personal touches, you can create a welcoming and visually stunning entryway that reflects your personality. So, invest wisely, and let your door set the tone for your Bluffdale home.